The Jagannath Temple. Odisha is known as the land of Lord Jagannath, literally meaning the Lord of the universe. The Jagannath Temple at Puri is one of the most revered Vaishnava sites of worship in India. It is one of the dharmas of the four dharmas, including the Puri, Dwarika, the Badrinath, and the Rameshwar in India. Its main shrine was built by Anantavarman of the Chodaganga dynasty in the 10th century. The deities are Mahaprabhu Sri Jagannath along with sister Devi Subhadra and elder brother Mahaprabhu Sri Balabhadra are worshipped at the temple. The features of Lord Jaganaathan Temple. The main temple is constructed in such a way that no shadow of the temple falls on the ground at any time of the day. The Neela Chakra or the blue wheel perched on top of the temple is made of 8 metals or Ashtadhatu. The flag flows in the opposite direction of the wind and is changed every day at sunset.